will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Disney app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here you will looking for here Disney app, or just click on search. Then here at Disney app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So you click on Disney app, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. So then you click here on OK. Then you go down, click here on storage. Come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search for Disney app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.